Hello, I'm Christopher Herbert. I'm the chef here at the Black Sheep in Niantic, Connecticut. Today I'm going to be making you a falafel crusted salmon with a vegetable medley, roast vegetable couscous, and a harissa cream sauce. For the sauce for this salmon, it is a harissa cream sauce, and we start with a fire roasted red bell pepper, heavy cream, garlic, salt, and pepper. We keep it simple, and this is our finished product here when it's all said and done. You just throw that in a blender and it's ready to go. And right here we have prepared a roasted vegetable couscous. Now it's a turmeric infused couscous. Now the roasted vegetables are cauliflower, carrots, onions, along with dried cranberries, dried apricots, toasted almonds, garlic, basil, parsley, and lemon juice to finish. And this is our sauteed vegetable. It usually goes with a nice pat of butter, garlic, some green beans, julienne carrots, zucchini, and squash. And that's all sauteed up, fresh to order. And then here's a nice Atlantic salmon that we'll encrust with buttermilk. It goes flour, buttermilk, and then a falafel crust here, which is just dried chickpeas and a masala spice that you can find almost at any supermarket. And what we do is we grind them up and season them with a masala seasoning, and that's what the crust is. All right, so I started with a little bit of oil for the salmon, and I'll go over here and I'll crust it. This is a quick little dusting of flour, dipped in buttermilk, and then pressed in the falafel crust. And this is what you end up with right there. Most of the time you start with a hot pan. I start with a nice cold pan here because we don't really want to burn the chickpeas. Our vegetables start right at the same time. I start with a little pat of butter, about a teaspoon of garlic, and I'll go right in with the green beans because they're not part cooked. I like to keep them raw and then cook them first in the saute pan. A little pinch of salt and pepper. I'll throw those right in there. We'll give this a nice flip. It's nice and golden brown. Pop it in the oven to finish. Takes about 5 minutes in the oven or so to get it to about medium. Saute those up really quickly. All right. We'll take our prepared couscous and we'll heat it up in the saute pan. And we're almost ready to plate here. All right. We'll go right on the plate here with the vegetables. All right. We have our salmon that's nice and medium. We'll set that right on the top there. We'll finish with this sauce here. And there you go, there's your falafel crusted salmon with roasted vegetable couscous, vegetable medley, and a harissa cream sauce. So come on down and try our salmon. You won't find it on our menu, but you will find it on our specials board weekly. It changes each week, and this is ours for this weekend.